We're back. This morning, Medicis Pharmaceuticals rang the opening bell here at the big board. Today, the company hosting a webcast investor meeting will update the market on its recently announced agreement with Ipsen. Medicis will license from Ipsen the aesthetic medicine rights to Ipsen's botulinum toxin product, Relaxin. Boy, this is a mouthful. Will it be the next Botox? Will Relaxin be the next Botox? Will it relax your face? Joining us now, Jonah Shacknai, CEO of Medicis. Good morning, sir. Thanks for being with us.
Great to be with you, Mark.
How does Relaxin differ from Botox?
When the FDA finally approves Relaxin, I think we're going to be hitting the market hard with very favorable data that will suggest to physicians and consumers that Relaxin is at least as good as Botox and maybe even has some important advantages.
And is it administered the same way through a needle?
It's administered exactly the same way, and it's a product that's already approved in over 70 medically advanced countries. So we're excited to be bringing it to market in the United States as a companion with our product Relaxin, which is the market-leading dermal filler in the U.S., something we've talked about on your program before.
Right. Okay, so this sounds like a simple matter of trying to get market share away from Botox. It's not going to enlarge the market.
Well, I think it should enlarge the market. We're hoping to provide the Medicis R&R, Relaxin and Relaxin experience for consumers, and we think there are a lot of opportunities, and I know Allergan does too, to expand the market. If you think about it, probably only a few % of patients who could use these products and can afford them are actually receiving treatments now.
I don't see how you're going to, you're still injecting it with a needle into somebody's forehead until the delivery method changes. I got to be skeptical that you can enlarge this market.
Well, we disagreed, and the last time I was on your show, you felt exactly the same way, so it tells us a lot about you, but you don't need this stuff anyway. But I think for
I get prettier every day.
You do, and your public knows that. But I think for those of us that can't stop the aging process, when one understands how minimally invasive these procedures are, that it's just a little tiny tingle of a needle, and that it can cause a face to be completely relaxed and in some cases look 10 or more years younger. That's a huge thing, and it's a small amount of pain, I think, given the benefit. If you consider it, Mark, people are getting massive plastic surgery to do more or less the same thing. So when you consider the options available to reduce the signs of aging on a face, this has got to be a very attractive one.
Okay, so, and you mentioned it's already been approved overseas, right?
It has, in most medically advanced countries, yes.
And the initial result has been what in terms of competition with Botox?
Well, they've really held their own and more with Botox. And interestingly, Relaxin, which is called Dysport in Europe, was the first toxin to hit the market. So Ipsen has been in this business even longer than Allergan has, and they really know what they're doing. It's a terrific company.
Why did Ipsen come to you instead of a larger, I don't, I'm not casting aspersions. I'm just wondering why not a bigger company?
Well, we know who we are. We are the largest independent dermatology company in the United States and the company that is consistently best regarded by our customers. We have the #1 ranked sales force, and I think dermatologists and plastic surgeons really think of Medicis as their partner in aesthetic medicine as well as dermatology. So the people at Ipsen have told us that lots of big companies came chasing after them, but I guess they found this to be a very easy choice to make because we will maximize sales of this product and as a customer-centric company leave patients and doctors feeling great about the experience.
All right, sir. Thank you very much. We certainly wish you the best with the new product.
Thanks, Mark.
Jonah Shacknai is CEO of Medicis. Up next.